Hi, what you see here is 3D printing and we are Maker Global. So we do 3D printing, all of what you're seeing over there, we do 3D printing, we do 3D printer manufacturing like this one. This is an FDM printer. This is an FDM printer where we manufacture this in-house. This is what we do, and we also do 3D printing. So what you see inside the FIFA World Cup trophy is also what we've done. It's a product of our printers. So this is one technology, and this is another technology, resin printing. So we get so many figurines. We can do figurines like this. We can do all of these things. So this is something from a work in progress standpoint. So this is what comes out of this printer once it is done. So this is how it looks. We do all the post-processing and then we get a final product like this. We use this material, this raw material, we pour it into this tray. There is a bed that submerges inside the liquid and then it heats up. Just imagine a laser carving the material, this liquid, onto this bed and we get something like this. So we are Maker Global. You can contact us. These are our contact details. Our founder is Kavinder Kamal and we're based off Panchagutta. These are address details and you can definitely come visit us anytime in Panchagutta, Officers Colony. We're open 6 days a week, only closed on Sundays, 9:30 to 6:30. Thank you so much. Please do come. We'll see you at the office.